بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل بفضل الله وبرحمته فبذلك فليفرحوا صدق الله مولانا العظيم. Praise be to Allah, the most gracious and merciful, the Lord of worlds, and the best outcome is for the righteous, and prayers and peace be upon the best of his creations, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa, and all of his family and companions. After praising Allah Ta'ala and his glorious Prophet, alayhi salatu wasalam, my most honorable and respected teachers, esteemed chancellor, and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear listeners, the day of 14th August, who knew that the day of 14th August will tell the world in a way that both East and West will come to know that there is in the country named Pakistan, a lovely place with sacred lands, a kite's a bird, a bird's dream, a special human sacrifice, a struggle of a human blood, a new beginning beyond a stream filled with human blood. A country which was taken to come into being as Islamic State after the great Rashidun Caliphate, a country which was named the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, a home for the pious people and the lost fortress of Islam. It was 14th of August and 27th of Ramadan Kareem when Allah Ta'ala blessed Muslims with this independent country, when Allah Ta'ala blessed Muslims with freedom, although it was not easy to get. Many people lost their lives in the progress, some lost their lands, some lost their belongings, some lost their relatives. But why? What was the reason for all of this? Why they wanted independence? The reason was Islam. The reason was to follow the order of Allah and Rasul. We do not even bother to go to mosque today, but they gave up their lives for the sake of Islam. They wanted independence because they could not practice their faith independently. Because the rule was in the hands of cruel English. But Muslims, they did not stay back. They did not sit quietly. Some saviors rose, some great heroes rose. Those great heroes were Qaeda Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was the real founder of Pakistan. Those heroes were Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who attended Muslims to earn their own nationality and name in the world. Those heroes were Peace and Suri Pasha, who died in the battlefield against the superpower of his time, with his force, with his devotees, with his army, called the Mujahideen. Non-stop struggle, so many lives, countless lives, so much blood. At last, Pakistan was made. Pakistan was made, it was God to create an environment like it was at the time of Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu, when he rounded the streets at night so that no one sleeps hungry. It was God to create an environment where our youngsters become followers of Hazrat Imam Hussain Ali Maqam, the youngsters who must offer prayer, who must recite Holy Quran, who must say what is right, whether their necks are separate from their bodies. Pakistan was got to be the exact meaning of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Pakistan